Introducing the Griffin Pro. Engineered for vertical takeoff and landing, the Griffin Pro excels where others may falter, boasting an impressive flight duration of up to 150 minutes with a deployment time of as little as 2 minutes. Its state-of-the-art electric propulsion system ensures stealth and near-silent operation, making it ideal for covert surveillance and missions requiring utmost discretion. Extensively tested in various field conditions, the Griffin Pro excels in the challenging environments of Africa, offering robust performance and reliable operation across diverse landscapes. The Griffin Pro is more than just a drone. It has an exceptional track record and serves as a proven solution for surveillance, mapping, and other mission-critical operations. The Griffin Pro supports custom system integration and features tool-free swappable payload options. This enables clients to tailor the platform to their specific operational requirements, ensuring seamless deployment into existing workflows. The ground control system is engineered for rapid deployment, allowing teams to become operational and meet objectives in minimal time. The Griffin Pro is designed for extended missions, featuring a communication range of up to 50 kilometers and the ability to endure wind speeds of up to 17 meters per second, ensuring mission success even under challenging weather conditions. It is compatible with multiple payload options, including dual sensor, high-definition thermal imaging, and a 40 times daytime zoom, providing enhanced tactical surveillance capabilities both day and night. Coordinate with precision using the remote video terminal, allowing ground teams to independently see what the Griffin Pro operator can see, with live video relayed directly from the aircraft, target tracking, and real-time positioning of team members on a dynamic map. Designed with user-friendliness as a primary focus, the Griffin Pro facilitates repeatable mission planning and incorporates intuitive controls, making it suitable for both experienced operators and new users. Its compact design and modular construction ensure ease of transportation, enhancing simplicity and efficiency during deployment. All ARACE VTOL systems, including the Griffin Pro, are equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced fail-safe mechanisms to safeguard your investment. These mechanisms include intelligent return-to-home protocols that take into account factors such as time, battery consumption, distance, and wind conditions to ensure secure recovery. The system includes altitude-based fail-safes, communication loss protocols, and system failure responses to maintain control in critical situations. The Griffin Pro is equipped with dual airspeed sensors for redundancy, dead reckoning capabilities in case of GPS loss, and quad motor support to sustain flight stability if a control surface becomes unusable, ensuring reliability even under adverse conditions.